Okay, so starting off, I'm gonna use this Manicpanic dye. This is Vampire Red. I normally get the infrared, but I was like, let me try Vampire Red. And I think this might be a little bit brighter. Just starting off, if you see my hair, it's red, but it's kind of like fading a little bit. I started off with my hair being like this ginger color and like this ginger light brown color, and then I was like, well, let's do red. So I've been red for March or so. I think, yeah, March. So what I do, I section my hair in 4 little sections. They're not even, they don't have to be. So yeah, so this is what it looks like right now. You can see it. So let's read the instructions. I already know what to do, but I'm gonna read it just for giggles. For best results, pre-lighten hair to a light blonde using the Manicpanic Flash Lightening Bleach Kit. I did not use that. When I did my first color, which the ginger color, I used the Cream of Nature box dye. So yeah. It say do not mix with anything. It say wear protective gloves to avoid staining. Yes, because this stuff stains really bad. So yeah, you're gonna need the gloves. Apply to clean, dry hair. Hair is not clean, but it's dry. Leave on for at least 30 minutes. Rinse hair in cool water until it runs almost clear. So yeah, that's it. So yes, I have a big dome head, and yes, this little jar is all I need. So yes, this is what it's looking like. It kind of looks pink on camera, but it's not. So what I like to do, I have very thick hair. It's thick. Maybe I need like a bobby pin in this section and stuff or something. Okay. Or maybe I need 2 bobby pins. I got a clamp, so y'all let me go get my clamp. I'll be right back. I'm back. I got my clamp from. So let me put on my other glove. Y'all, when y'all do this, please wear gloves because this stuff it stains really bad. And it's hard to get out of t-shirts. It takes weeks to get it off your nails and stuff. So make sure you wear your gloves. Okay. So I'll just take piece by piece. And what I do, look at this. It is not. But what I like to do is just put it on my hands and just go. So make sure I don't put it on my dark ends, on the dark part of my hair, because I mean you can see how much my hair has grown out. So I don't put it on all of that because it's not gonna show up anyway, so it doesn't make sense to put it on that. So I'm just gonna saturate my hair. Put on my hand. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I should have put a towel around me. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this throughout my whole head, and that's it, y'all. Like, we just making sure that it's like about the Manicpanic is that it's kind of like a conditioner at the same time. So it leaves your hair feeling soft. That's one thing I like about it. So I'm gonna do this section and then I'm gonna do the rest off camera, or I'm trying to get better with my editing skills, so maybe I can like speed all this up. See how it's already on my shirt? Oh my God. And it's not coming out, y'all. So make sure if you do this, do it on a shirt that you do not care about, because it's not coming out. And see how it kind of detangles my hair? So that's what I like about it. It's like it has like a conditioner or something in it. And it doesn't leave my hair dry. So you can see the difference already. Okay. Like I say, I don't do the black part because I mean it's not gonna show up anyway, so I just do the green. And if you can see the difference already. Okay, so I'm back. I put all the dye in my hair, and on the jar it says to let it sit for 30 minutes with a shower cap. Okay, so about that, I only got one shower cap left, and I'm gonna use that for my deep condition. So we're gonna use the plastic bag. So let's see. Oh, hold on, y'all. Hold on. Like, hold it up under there or something. Like, y'all got stuff all in my face. Look at my arms. That's why I say be careful with this stuff, because like if y'all can see my station right now, it looks like a whole murder scene. So I will be back. I might let it sit longer than 30 minutes. Y'all know I don't be doing what these instructions tell me to do. Like I be winging it. Okay, so this is what the color looks like. So it's been a couple of days, but this is what it looks like. So yeah, it's a little bit darker than what I had at first, but it's still cute. So But you know, every night I stretch my hair, and then yeah, that's it. Like every night I stretch it, and then in the morning I take my pick and I just pick it out. Pick it by the roots. Shape it how you want it. So, say red. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. So, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.